Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying you have device owner or admin access. Without that, you can't change app controls. Now go straight to Settings, tap Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, and scan the dashboard for the app you want removed. Once you find it under App Timers, Focus Mode, or Bedtime Mode, tap that entry to reveal controls. Make sure Airplane or Do Not Disturb aren't hiding restrictions, because those can affect what you see next. You now remove constraints. Tap the app entry and choose App Timer or Restrict. Delete any active timers and toggle off restrictions or focus assignments. This frees the app from digital well-being limits. If the app is blocked by parental controls, open that section and remove the app from blocked lists. Next, confirm Samsung Kids or any third-party parental app isn't reapplying limits. Disable or unlink them if necessary before proceeding to the final step. Finish by rebooting the phone, then open the app to confirm it runs without digital well-being restrictions. If the app is still limited, inspect Work Profile, Device Admin Apps, or a managed Google account that may enforce policies, remove or adjust those. As a last resort, reset digital well-being settings, export any data you need first, then reconfigure. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Samsung or Google account to force settings refresh. That usually clears lingering policy caches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.